Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. First we need to assign the hotkey for the screenshot. So we need to press and hold the menu button or up button to open the menu. Then we need to scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. Select the system option and once you select it, press the GPS button. Here scroll through the menu. Find the hotkeys option and once you find it and select it, press the GPS button. And here we have a list of hotkeys we can use. Find the one you like, for example, back button, this one, and the light button, this one, so two of those rather. Select the hotkey, press the GPS, then scroll through the list of functions and find the screenshot. Once you find the screenshot, select it and press GPS to assign it. And now the screenshot function is assigned to a shortcut back button plus light button. So we can take a screenshot by pressing and holding the back and light button like this. As you can see, we have the message screenshot taken. It's gonna pop up every time you take a screenshot. And once you're done taking your screenshots, you can access them by plugging your watch to a computer, by plugging it with the charging cable that was provided with your watch. And once you plug it to your computer, you can open the Garmin watch folder, and in that folder you will have the screenshot folder. You can open it and there you will find the screenshots. And that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.